Yo, hey, it's that boy Byrd, you know. Hey, this that 93, you know, y'all nigga from Tampa made that video about, you know, yeah. We out here real quick, you know, had to show y'all a little something real quick. Y'all say Tampa running that shit, huh? Camaro gang, Tampa, huh? Yeah, I heard about y'all. It's all good though. We gonna tell y'all pack that up real quick. Just